discussion, I will be sharing what IT careers I would like to be doing in the future. What type of job description interests me? I would have to say software development, editing, security software. The first job that I found is software engineering. So some of the qualifications that require for this job are building productive level software, especially with Java. You will be seeing projects go through deployment and beyond. You will need excellent communication skills, and you'll need to drive to thrive with the team. The second job that I found was game security engineer with platform security. Some of the qualifications you need for this job are 2 years plus professional development experience. You need to know how to use C++, and you need to know how to write a clean code and apply techniques and utilize software engineering at your best. You will need a course source management and excellent verbal and communication, and you'll need the ability to learn and grow as a team. What do I think about these jobs for a career? I think they will be very excellent to me because security software and I play games, so it'd be really cool to build them. Which jobs that I would not want to do is doing repairs on them. I can do it, but it is a little bit hard for me. What do I think about the careers that I chose? I think they are pretty good because plus I like the design and the software development much better. And was the sites that I found the jobs very helpful? Yes, it was. I used the Indeed.com, and I've used it in the past, and they have a good listing of jobs for whatever you're wanting to go into. I think that's about it. Hope you have a good day. Peace.